Hello, this is me, the Builder 74, and today I got a new alternative build for set 42132. This time I used parts from the set to build a cool sporty motorcycle. For this build I was heavily inspired by modern aero motorbikes, and the main idea was to build a modern motorbike out of this set that would be in the same scale that the original A build and the B build, and would also look like a modern motorbike. So this model has the same functions like the A model and B model, so steering and the engine driven by the rear wheel. But this model also has some interesting feature. Apart from being like sporty design with all this aerodynamics and looks, I also wanted to make this model look more modern and decided to not to build a standard inline 3 engine. I decided to make a V2 engine like the most budget motorbikes have right now. So yeah, it has a working V engine that is driven by the rear wheels. It works smoothly, as you can see, and apart from this, the build doesn't really have any other functions, so I can't tell many about it. It just looks cool, and it's gonna look cool if you have 2 or 3 sets of 42132, so you will have like a collection of bikes. So without any further ado, I guess let's build this thing. Thanks for watching this video and for almost 1000 subscribers. Glad to make content for you guys. If you like to support the channel, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment if you have any questions about the build, and I will definitely answer you. Thanks you for your attention and have a great day. See you next video.